And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome to Fern Cliff. You just go, sir.
Oh man, if I go, I'd have to represent music I don't know. I said, well.
Welcome to Fern Cliff.
Because at some point they would make me ride with him.
With the froggies.
No. I was like, I'm not going to go from that. He said, okay.
There's a little map of it.
Except this way he ain't done like that.
Let's go check out the waterfall. Hopefully it's going good because it's been raining a lot, so we'll go check it out and see.
It's all singing.
See all them rocks?
No, you don't see all them rocks. You see all these trees?
You see all these trees? Shut up, you freak.
California.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Because. See all the ferns? I wonder if that's why they call it Fern Cliff.
No, sir. They put that name on it for nothing.
Like, oh, this looks like a nice place to call it Fern.
Yep.
Fern Cliff.
Named it that and the birds are growing everywhere else.
So they came and planted them. No.
This all used to be flat.
It's pretty nice back here, though.
Where's it? Go touch it. I want to take a picture of you.
No, don't post that on Facebook. At Fern.
No, just go super close to it. Marissa, just go super close to it. Say, I'm not touching it.
I think we should just ride the motorcycles back here.
Yeah, right. Yeah, because your legs will be tired after a while.
My legs ain't tired.
You can get up there this way. This will be easy. Oh, yeah.
Up the hill.
Come right up that.
Oh, Jesus. Been walking long?
Apparently not.
Somebody trying to trip my ass. Jesus. Another puppy. Another puppy dog. Another puppy dog.
No water, it's so pretty.
So the water ain't running?
It's running. You can hear it.
I hope it's running.
Check your phone so you got service yet.
Walk all the way out here to see a waterfall and there ain't no waterfall. What the F? Oh, I got signal, sir.
Oh, just to get to the sand, you gotta climb that.
Huh?
To get to the sand, you gotta climb up that.
Here comes the bridge.
My name's out here somewhere.
I won't fall.
Forgot where I put it.
Well, I don't hear water, sir.
Do you not hear it dripping? Right there.
This is cool.
Right there.
Yeah, it's not very
It's not a lot. Like you can go up that way, but
It ain't flowing very much, is it?
no.
Well, that
You can get up
sucks.
there that way.
Huh?
Up that way.
like drips at it. Drips the water.
Jesus.
But it comes from way
You gonna hold this?
Comes from way.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can go live on my.
It's
Yeah.
it's a spring.
Point it wherever.
Natural spring.
Can I go live?
You can go swimming up there. There's a big old pond up there, like a circle tub. And you can swim up there. I do.
Is it still on?
Yeah, it's recording. Trying to go live.
You should be able to because it's all open right here. A satellite can get in here.
Hey, what do you mean?
Don't it do that countdown though?
Yeah, no.
1, 2, 3, whatever. Yeah, see all that's the sand. Well, we can get to the sand part over there on that one. Not my number.
Next.
It went black.
Push touch screen. There it goes. Go live.
I bet like yesterday it was flowing real good.
Yeah. Hey, oh shit. Kids up there. Well, I got a full battery. Yeah.
Alright, hang on.
Photo shoot. Say cheese. How in the hell are we going to get up there, sir? We're going swimming. I'm on the bike. I'll dry off.
You're gonna get wet.
Son of a...
You got good soles on your shoes?
Shit, no. I got my Harley boots on. Hey, I'm in the waterfall.
Alright, sir. Keep
Hold on.
going. Don't climb up that, you'll slide all the way back down to the bottom.
I'm not going to climb up that.
Follow me.
We're hiking. Here we go. Here we go.
Are you guys trying to get down? You can.
Yeah.
It's, stay right here.
Looks a little sketchy, though.
If you come down here, I'll show you how to get down. You'll be all right. Yeah, come. Step here. Step right here. And just follow this one.
Well, if he don't make it, then don't go that way.
And just follow this down, and there's a little ledge. Just don't step on that slick shit and fall on your ass all the way down in the water.
Well, stand there, Taz, and make sure he don't slide you.
I will.
You would go down that way.
Well, how'd you all come up?
We went like all the way.
Oh, you went all the way around?
Like all the way to the boat.
Step on that ledge.
We're way up here. There's the waterfall, but as you can see, it ain't got no water. We'll go walk behind the waterfall. If only the water was going. It's mudder than hell back here. That's all the water you get, guys. It's dried up. We're way up here. Pretty cool in here, though. All these rocks and stuff. Pretty wild. You can cut it off. I went behind the waterfall, sir.
Did you see that cave?
Huh? The cave? Yeah. Oh, shit, no. You got a cave?
All the way back to here.
Say cheese.
Good soles on your shoes? Stay right here. If you come down here, I'll show you how to get down. Step here, step right here. Just follow this. Come to right here. And just step right here. And then just follow this down and there's a little ledge. Just don't step on that switch that you'll fall on your ass all the way down in the water. Then you have to turn that side. I will. If you can come up here, I would break that, so I know where to go. So, but yeah, you'll go to here, and then just step down. Step on that ledge, and then follow that down to this, to that one, and then to that little ledge right there, and then you'll have to step on these rocks all the way down. Just watch out for all that slick ass moss. Yeah. Yep, and then this ledge goes all the way out, and you'll step on that rock to that rock to that rock, and then you'll get wet regardless. There's no problem.
I might just jump in. Might as well.
It's pretty deep right there.
Right here?
Right there, yeah.
I want to take a picture.
Yeah, it gets deep like right there where that water goes in. It's pretty deep right there. Back there.
We're up in a cage, guys.
Back into here. You can sleep in there or you can sleep up here.
Yeah, there's our new bed. Show us, Taz, where are we going to sleep
Right
at?
there. Look, you got a pillow.
See, looky there,
Got a
guys.
pillow, some dirt. You ain't gonna get wet. And then you can sleep up here. Right here.
No, it's already someone else's house. See, they marked their territory.
Sleep up here.
See, look, here, it's even got bunk beds, guys. Look at this. It's even got a bunk bed. You can take a shower every day
That's right. Ain't gotta worry about hygiene here.
when there is water.
There's another little apartment right there.
Yeah, we got another apartment over here. I'll rent it for 100 pesos.
Watch your step.
Watch your step, bud. Watch your step.
You just come up here, you go to bed.
Yeah, there's my bed
Right here.
right here.
You can go sleep up in
No,
this.
this is a recliner. This is more like a recliner.
Right.
See, we can just sit up here.
And you gotta worry about those big old spiders though.
Yeah, I don't care about spiders. Yeah. See that spider, you guys?
You gotta worry about that sucker.
You guys probably
And
can't see.
snakes.
Snakes. We'll eat the snakes.
That's right. You can have fire up here.
You guys can come check out our new house up here. Pretty cool. Huh?
Right. I'll bet for when one of these give away and this sucker falls on your melon.
Yeah, you're dead. If this falls, you're dead. That's wild how this is all carved out, though.
Huh?
That's wild how this is all carved out, though.
It's because the water. The water comes through here and erodes it away and it falls and it makes all them.
Man, I wish that waterfall was going. That would have been awesome.
Yeah, it's nice when it's going though.
That would have been sweet.
And there's another little hiding hole back in there.
Wonder if we can go over there where that kid was at.
Yeah, but you go way out that direction.
Oh.
Like you don't come back down by the waterfall, but you come out where we started. on walking, sir.
Keep on walking. These boots are made for walking.
No, they're not. They're made
That's
for bike
just what
riding.
I'll do.
These boots ain't made for walking.
These boots are made for riding a bike. I got Harley boots on. See?
Sure not climbing no
Got damn Harley boots on. I ain't got no damn hiking
I got
boots on.
Harley boots on too, but mine's got a fucking good tread. See the
Yeah,
girl
hey.
right there?
We're way up yonder. We're way up there. Whee! Watch this.
Don't
Watch.
follow me,
Watch.
sir.
Watch this idiot.
Sir, I know what I'm doing.
You know what you're doing?
I grew up out here.
Ah.
See, there's bed.
Yeah.
Another bed.
Hi. You little people. You little people down there.
You guys coming back this direction?
Hey, we got another apartment.
Huh?
Another cave.
No, we're gonna get out down here. Oh, okay.
That's way down there. Way down yonder.
We're about to go up even higher. Man.
Oh hell.
It all goes uphill from now, sir.
Taz says we're going higher, guys.
Going up. Here we go.
Going to the sky. Up, up and away.
Jesus.
Yeah, we're gonna go meet Jesus. There's the bridge way down there. Huh? Yeah.
Look how high we are now.
I know, that's the bridge.
Woo!
Check this out, guys. Way down there, huh?
There's your rock you want to climb off there. Just jump to it.
Yeah, just jump.
You'll be alright.
You'll be all right, sir.
It's like 50 feet.
It's only 50 feet.
You're good.
Only.
You'll land on it. Alright? That's all that matters. You'll land on it.
Hey, you
That's
put that logging away.
That's Bigfoot's treat.
Yeah.
His slingshot. Bigfoot's slingshot.
It's pretty cool. Look at all that moss on there.
Yeah, that one's hard to
Pretty
climb,
well.
though. This one never,
Huh?
moss never leaves that.
That moss. Hey, there's your guys' Fern. Fern
Don't
Cliff.
touch that.
Don't touch it, you'll go to jail.
Prison.
We don't want to go to jail. We don't want to go to jail.
Yeah, high enough. Watch your step. Don't break your goddamn neck.
Don't break your neck. Watch your step.
Don't break your damn.
We're on a mission. Hey, look, they even made me stairs. 1, 2, 3.
They knew old people walked up here.
I am old.
I know. That's what I said. They knew old people would walk up here. All right,
We'll
sir.
be coming around the
Are
mountain.
you ready for your downhill?
We're going downhill. Is this where it's at?
Like a straight up run. Here,
I ain't running shit.
Oh, you're going to. Don't worry. You're straight downhill. You'll be taking off. Don't worry.
I need me a skateboard, and I'll just skateboard down that damn there tree.
You ready? See that trail?
Yep.
But you're going down.
Oh, that trail ain't that bad.
Right here, straight downhill.
Somebody's mad.
Yeah, out.
Somebody's pissed off. Here we go.
Down
We're
again.
going down. Man down. Man down. Man down. Help. Man down.
He's like, oh.
We made it back down safe, y'all.
Dude, I grew up out here.
Huh?
I was out here.
You guys can see some fish? Fish outside. Tadpoles.
Well, this one is
The
1 mile,
Untouchables.
and it's an easy hike. One of those over here are hard. Huh?
It's a cave. It's pretty cool.
Is it the one with the big old rock
Yeah.
everywhere?
Yeah.
This one here?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
just-
All it does is make a circle.
yeah. It says you're here and we gotta go all the way
It's a
around.
mile.
Yeah, it's a mile.
All right.
1 mile.
But you. This is where I
We are
hung
going
straight
up.
in the tree. In a stroller.
Way up. Is this stairs like this all the way up this?
Yeah, and down. Yep.
It gets a little worse.
Well, I'm not walking down. I'm just gonna roll.
You're handing me the GoPro or recording.
Yeah. Be very,
Look,
very
there's a
quiet.
manhole. Right there. That's Bigfoot's home.
Bigfoot ain't gonna fit in that.
Yes, he is. He can move that rock.
Ain't gonna fit in that. Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Almost.
Where'd you stick your arm?
Here's those rocks in the cave.
We lost the rest of our party, sir.
Where they at? No, right there.
Oh, we gotta go across right here?
Mm-hmm. Here. Not anywhere close to that. That'll fall.
Oh yeah, fall. We're hiking. Check this out. Wow. This is freaking cool.
Those are the ones you can go into.
Wow. Oh, is this a pit stop?
These are the ones you can crawl in.
Wow.
All sand.
This is, huh?
This is the one you can crawl in. Jump.
Oh, she got that on the GoPro. She got that on GoPro.
Oh, I keep bumping.
That's because you're up in the rock. You gotta be down here. I ain't gonna be able to get a signal through a damn rock.
Yeah, it's not.
Did you have signal over on that other one?
What? Oh, I'm back on it.
I didn't take a picture.
I can't get over to that one.
But I can.
Man, this shit's slick.
Oh, God, that's terrible.
You ain't cut off half your noggin.
Aw. Don't do that.
What the hell on, John?
Oh, you're so cute.
It's hot in here, too.
It's hot up there. It's cold down here, though.
Huh?
Go inside of one of them rocks. Right here.
Can't go inside one of the rocks.
Yeah, you can. Right there.
There's one right there.
Yeah, well, get down and go into this rock and look how much colder it is in there.
Can you catch candy in your mouth?
Yeah, well.
Hold on.
Which rock?
Oh, I guess I took the picture.
Yeah, because I caught it, and it automatically caught. Does it? What is that? Oh no, it puts eyebrows on the eyelashes. Yeah.
Wrong button. Way to look there.
That is the trip.
They don't look like it's that far up there, but it is.
Crawl all the way back there where you literally have
Look
to
at this big
lay
old
down.
cave.
This is where Bigfoot lives.
This is a big ass cave. Holy crap, that goes way under there.
Way back there, all the way back, and then it peeks out.
That is wild.
There's a pocket knife of mine in there somewhere. I'm not kidding you. Badass pocket knife. I thought that
What?
motherfucker just fell down the hill.
No, I jumped off the rock.